attitude, revamped appearance.
What's going on here?
Making his way to the ring, from
Oh, man, there it is. And we have unofficially started here.
Yeah, this referee won't put up with too much of this. They need to get in the ring so we can officially start here.
Sling blade!
Nicely done.
Nailed it. What a stomp. Good grief. You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh, you cannot take your eyes off him for a second.
Really? This should be an incredible matchup. I mean, both men have extensive offensive repertoires, lasting endurance, and an insatiable appetite to be number one. Slam. Seth Rollins in some trouble here. He may have to start reevaluating his game plan.
Yeah, he's taking on some offense here, but that's to be expected, especially considering who he's in the ring with. There's been a lot of great moments on pay-per-view over the years. And for me, one of my favorites was watching Kurt Angle's debut match at the 1999 Survivor Series. All my buddies and I gathered around the TV cheering on our hometown boy, Kurt Angle. If I was Seth Rollins, I'd get my mind in the match and out of the crowd.
Soul kick. Back to Kurt Angle's WWE debut. We should note that he defeated Shawn Stasiak that night using his patented Angle Slam, and from there, the rest is history.
Speaking of history, longtime WWE fans may remember Shawn Stasiak's father, Stan Stasiak, who is famous for defeating Pedro Morales for the WWE Championship in December of 1973. Stasiak went on to hold the title for only 9 days, though it's 9 more days than most competitors will ever hold it.
Look at this. He's making a statement here with this attack. The spotlight's definitely on these superstars here tonight. Anytime you have the opportunity to compete on a pay-per-view, you can bet the whole double. Here he goes. Ooh, what a headbutt.
I'm not sure how much he has left. But now, can Drew McIntyre capitalize?
Uh-oh. Oh, man, that hurt. Seth Rollins playing a little head games right now.
As Michael was saying earlier, the entire WWE Universe is undoubtedly watching this match. And while I've never competed on a WWE pay-per-view, I would have to think that it's pretty nerve-wracking.
Just the fact that they let you commentate on a WWE pay-per-view is enough, Saxton. I can't imagine actually having to see you compete in the ring. Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Drew McIntyre gets out of the way.
We may have a count out here, guys.
It certainly looks that way, Michael.
That'll hinder your modeling career.
Tremendous ring presence from the apron.
Filthy German suplex.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. Seth Rollins not looking so good here.
Dangerous times for the Architect.
He might just have nothing left to give, guys.
There's no way he knows.
This could do it. One. And McIntyre with a quick kick out.
Too early in the match to end it.
Oh, my goodness. This hurts. Oh.
But can he follow up here?
His shoulders are down. Drew McIntyre gets the shoulder up.
Not yet.
Beautiful technique.
Seth freaking Rollins.
Seth Rollins going for it. Looking good.
Somebody wound him up and he's off and running. Oh, what a crash.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Harsh impact. Ooh, he goes down hard.
Yeah, he's definitely starting to fade now.
Headbutt. Ooh. Wow, what a gritty performance. Will it be?
I think so.
And he got a near fall out of it. Not yet. I really can't believe what's gone down so far. This match has been even more physical than I thought it would be.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Double underhook.
Future shock.
Rollins fan.
Here's the cover. Look at this. A minor miracle might be needed to overcome this beating. At some point, the referee may want to think about stopping this one before somebody gets seriously injured. Toss to the outside. I can't believe this one's still going on, especially after the beating that's been delivered tonight. And he's heading back in. And what a reversal from Seth Rollins.
Rollins, so impressive.
And that one drops him.
Somebody's on a mission tonight.
He's looking to bring this one to the outside where things can get ugly in an instant. Caught with the elbow.
Right on the jaw.
He's got him covered. You can't teach the type of tenacity we're witnessing here. Unreal.
Gonna take more than that.
He has him right where he wants him. He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. Oh boy, he is rolling.
We have seen him here before. Oh, he caught him with the knee.
Good night. I don't know about you guys, but it looks to me like these superstars are on their last legs here.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Now back to the ring.
Seth Rollins is feeling it right now. It'll destroy your face.
It's safe to say he had his opponent well scouted there.
Brilliant analysis, Saxton. Cover here. 1, 2, and an ear fall.
Well, Seth Rollins reaches deep and finds the will to survive. I expect nothing less.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole. Double underhook.
DDT. Hoping to end it here. 1, 2. And he got a near fall out of it.
I don't think his opponent was expecting that.
Somebody wound him up and he's off and running.
Takes him down.
In a major way, too.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Incoming. Look out. What a dive. These superstars have tried everything. They have something left in their arsenal. They have to, but can they dig down deep enough to find it?
What a brutal beating we've seen dished out so far here tonight.
Whoa, McIntyre able to avoid damage there. And the ref goes down. We need a new ref out here, fast. Down to the floor. Drop, big time!
Both these superstars appear to be operating on fumes here, guys.
Seth Rollins got on a dangerous path there.
Great move by the Architekt.
This man is the epitome of cold and calculated.
Oof! This is not the place where you want to underestimate your competition.
Absolutely not. That's gonna leave a mark.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He knows he's in trouble.
If he sticks this, he is done. Oh, nasty impact.
Rollins fans have plenty to worry about here.
That is exactly what Drew McIntyre needed.
He's lining him up.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around. Unceremoniously deposited down.
Elbow drop.
Right to the heart.
There may be no coming back from this incredible beatdown. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
And the slam. Looks to me like these superstars are running on fumes right about now.
Whack! Michael, a blatant disregard for the referee's authority gets this one thrown out.